Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
First, confirm you own the file or have explicit permission to remove its password. This prevents illegal or unethical access and protects you. Next, identify whether the PDF uses a user password or an owner password. The difference determines which method you should use for removal. Also locate the original password or any proof of permission before proceeding. Keep a backup copy of the protected file in case anything goes wrong during the process. Do not attempt removal without authorization from the document owner. If you know the password, open the PDF and enter the password when prompted to unlock it. In Adobe Acrobat, choose File, Properties, then Security, and use Remove Security to clear restrictions. After removing security, save a new copy to preserve the change. On a Mac, open the PDF in Preview, unlock it with the password, then choose Export as PDF and uncheck encryption. For Windows alternatives, use Microsoft Edge to open and print to PDF after unlocking. Always verify the new file is not password protected. For advanced users with permission, use a safe command line tool to decrypt the file. For example use, QPDF decrypt with the correct password to produce an unprotected output PDF. Always keep the original encrypted file backed up before creating changes or overriding it. After decryption, verify metadata and permissions were properly removed by opening the new file. If you lost the password, contact the document owner or use official support channels for recovery. Never use cracking or brute force tools.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.